we working on your range of motion. So those of you all that don't have a good range of motion in the hips, the reason why we're doing the sumo workout, the sumo exercise, is because we're gonna open up our hip flexors. Okay? So while we opening up our hip flexors, we're working out our hamstring, our calves, our gluteus maximus, our gluteus minimus, and our hamstrings, okay? We still on set 1. We got 15 more to go. Ten more to go. Nine. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 2. 1. That's one set. If you don't feel the burn, you definitely gonna learn. I'm gonna make a variation to the sumo exercise. We're gonna lift our knee straight up. One knee, then down, okay? Here we go. Sumo, 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 sumo. 1, 2, down. 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 We got 8 more to go. 1, 2, down. 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 4 more to go. 1, 2, down. 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 Wipe your face, get a drink. $30 minutes a day can literally save your life. So, we did our 5-minute jump rope exercise. We did the hands on your knees. We did the sumo and the variational sumo. And for our last and final exercise for our 30-minute workout, we're gonna do some crate crunches, okay? It's gonna be in an incline, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Get you some water. Make sure you stay firmly hydrated, okay? H3O2. That's fruit water. Whatever your favorite fruit is, cut it up in pieces, put it in your bottle, add natural spring water, and that's your fruit water. Fruit water is called H3O2 is because it's hydrogen 3 times, oxygen 2 times, and our body is mainly 75 to 80% water, which is hydrogen. Hydrogen squared oxygen. So we need water and we need air for us to live. And fruit water has 3 hydrogen bonds. That's why it's called H3O2. It has a little bit of extra water in the fruit, and that fruit has something that we naturally need, which is a natural sugar called glucose that our body breaks down and uses as nutritional energy. I personally have been doing a watermelon fast for the past 2 weeks, and I can feel my intestines cleaning out. I drink a concoction that I made called Mandingo drink, mixed with watermelon rind, honey, and a tin of cinnamon, and shake it up and drink it. It cleans me out, open up my blood capillaries, and make me Mandingo. The fellas will understand what I'm talking about when I say Mandingo. Because as soon as you drink it, bing, make you rock hard like Rottweiler. Okay, our last exercise is going to be an incline on the crate. So we're going to call them crate crunches. I'm going to do 3 sets of 20. Okay, here we go. All right, we got our crate down. I'm gonna turn it sideways so you can see me. That's 1. Okay, we're gonna do 3 sets of 20 of these, all right? So prepare yourself mentally and push yourself, okay? I'm pushing you to be a better version of yourself. Every time you work out, push yourself just a little bit further, okay? Say in your mind, just a little bit more, just a little bit more, just a little bit more. And when you get up a year from now, you're gonna see results that you've never seen before. So I'm rooting for you. Here we go, 3 sets of 20. Set number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got to break it down, however you got to break it down to, 4 sets of 5 to equal your 20. Okay? We're going to do 3 sets of 20. If you got to break it down to 4 sets, 5 sets of 4, or 4 sets of 5. Do what you got to do, but finish strong, okay? We still on set 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still on set 1. I owe myself 10 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't worry about comparing yourself to other people. Make sure you break your limitations for the day. When you break your limitations, you're going to feel your spirit stand straight up. Whatever mental barrier you have, whatever physical barrier around you, you're going to break through. Instead of breaking down, you're going to break through. I promise you. Instead of breaking down, you're going to break through. Here we go. Last set of the first set. 1, 2, 3. 4. Your body will give you an indicator for why you should work to get the fat off of you. Every day, when you're doing tasks and you see yourself struggling with it, it's an indicator to increase your workouts, to increase your natural strength level, and to push yourself a little further. My arms are significantly tired, but I'm going to push myself further. I owe myself 17 more for my second set, and I'm going to do them. Whenever you reach a limitation, you have to tap into the internal part of yourself called your will. And your will is in line with the Most High's will. His supernatural energy gonna tap on the inside of you and give you supernatural strength that you've never seen before. So when you reach your limitations in your mind and in your spirit, start talking to the Most High. Say, give me strength, Most High. Give me strength beyond my natural ability. And He will do it. I owe myself 15 more of those. My arms feel like spaghetti right now, but I'm not going to stop. I'm going to finish my workout. Most High, give me strength. Give me supernatural strength. My arms are so tired, but they feel good and strong. I'm gonna make a variation when I finish this last set. I owe myself 5 more. I can only go down halfway because the lower part of my arms feel like jello. So I'm gonna give myself just enough push to strengthen this part of my arm and come back up. I want myself 5 more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can only go down far enough to where I can bend my elbow because my arms feel like jello. But your arms feeling like jello is not a bad thing. It means you've been working out. For my last set of 20, I'm gonna do 20 jumping jacks so I can cool off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold myself 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is Stylist John. Would I Get You Fly Fitness? Where we press and we push. The exercises that we did today, we started off with a 5-minute jump rope exercise to get our heart rate up. We did the hands on our knees. We did the sumo. We did the variation of sumo to work out our quads, our hamstrings, and our core. We did some crate crunches in the form of crate push-ups. I did 2 sets of 20, and in my last set, I did a variation of 20 jumping jacks. This concludes our day 1 workout. If you want to work out with me, come work out with me. I have a Get Sexy workout for women to help work out all your target areas so you don't have to get a BBL. You can get a natural BBL and curve from working out and doing vacuum therapy. I provide vacuum therapy services. And we also have a soldier workout for fellas to get your body, your mind, and your spirit, and for your spirit to be extremely disciplined. And we have a dance workout for teens called the STL Juking, where we get with teens, we have a good time dancing for 30 minutes to an hour. I'm your host, Stylist John, aka DJ Alignment. Check out my website, www.stylistjohn.com, to book your hair care, natural hair care services, sew-in, short hairstyles, quick weave, men's business cuts on my website. And for your fitness classes or your vacuum therapy services that you need, they're also on my website. Click the link below. Thank you for tuning in. I Can Get You Fly Fitness, where we press and we push.